What's up guys, Best Ever Toy TV here. Welcome again to another Diecast daily video, and in today's episode we're gonna review the 87 Dodge D100 from the Baja Blazers, released last year. So here it is. By the way, this is a US card or international card, as you can see, with a guaranteed for life logo right there. So part of the Baja Blazer series, first car out of 10 in the series, 64th car out of 250 cars for Hot Wheels last year. And here's the Dodge D100. This had another some more variants like the silver one, the what else? I forgot, white with red? I think so, but if you remember, comment it down below. So here is the pickup Dodge D100 here. Really cool truck. Okay, I love this color here. This is matte beige, right? With the Mopar deco at the side here. Looks good. Dodge logo right there. And also the Hot Wheels logo. And take a look at the hood. We have an air scoop right there, very big air scoop. I just wish they made a snorkel here instead of this hood scoop right there. And we have the brown, black, and orange racing stripe. We have the reserve tire here in awkward position, I may add. I wish they, yeah, but they don't have space to turn this over, so maybe that's why they put it this way. Some fog lights right there, which lacks details. The headlights have no details, and I guess the back too. Yeah, no details on the back. So the reserve tire here is off-road tires, but the one they used is not plastic base like most mainlines right now. Overall, really good car, really good truck here. I really like this one. Was not a fan when it was inside the blister, but now loosed, I'm sold with this casting. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this Diecast daily video of the Dodge D100 pickup with the Mopar decos. And thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye bye guys. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye guys.